Hi everybody, this is Bassam from Shenandoah University ESL class. In this demonstration video, I'm going to walk you through an application called iMovie. It's an application, you use it whenever you want to play with your videos and merge them, split them. Sometimes you want to play with the sound, refine it, add text, and so on. This will be useful for your task with our instructor Sarah White whenever you want to do the demonstration video. So let's go and discover this application in a brief way. If your laptop is the one provided by our university, by default you're gonna find the iMovie icon in the dock. Otherwise, you may find it also in the applications folder. If you have your own personal laptop and you want to purchase the application, easily you can open the App Store and find it over there. It's around $14.99. So let's open it and see how it looks like. Usually it is like this, but sometimes you may have this window up and these areas are down, but it doesn't matter, the idea is the same. I have two movies over here I want to combine as a first step. Here is the working area. Here is the area where you need to import the files. To import a file, what you need to do is go to File and go to Import. Here you can choose any type of these things. In our case, we're gonna click on Movies. And I have two movies I want to combine on my desktop. Let me open the first one to take it to the working area. It will take a little bit time to optimize to bring it to the iMovie. And let's see, we have it over here. Let's bring the other one. So we can work in parallel. So this is my second movie or clip. You can see the preview over here, and this is my first clip. I want to take them to my working area so I can combine them. To move them, you have to click in the movie and press Command letter A, so you make sure that you selected the whole clip, as you can see here, the yellow border. Then there is a small hand. What you need to do is simply click, hold, and drag it to the working area. Now we have it here. Let's bring the other one, the same thing. One click, Command, letter A, and then small hand, click, hold, and then drag it and drop it. Now we have the movie ready to be adjusted. First, let's start with merging. Actually, by dragging and dropping the videos here with the sequence you want, for example, you want this one first, just drag it and drop it. Or if you do have more than two, you just need to arrange them, and automatically your video is combined. You can simply preview it, and then it's combined. You see? Automatically,
what should you do if you
jumped
experience a problem with your iPod?
Even though there is a gap
Remember
over here,
these 5
but it
basic
will not show
suggestions.
whenever you export.
Make sure your iPod
video.
is fully charged.
So
and
simply,
reset iPod
this
by
is
first
merging in
toggling the
iMovie.
hold switch on and off.
Dragging and
Then
dropping
press and hold
and
the center and menu buttons
arrange
for
your
at least
videos
6
in the
seconds
sequence you
until the
prefer.
Apple logo appears.
Now, let me show you how to clean your video and remove the unwanted portions. So let's imagine that you don't want to have this part of your video to show in your project, the exported project. Simply, if you remember, clicking will bring this yellow border. It actually means selection. If you don't want this area, and the good thing about this iMovie, it automatically show you the preview whenever you scroll on your video. So it's easily, you can indicate the area you don't want or you prefer to delete. So again, by clicking, this yellow border will show, and what you need to do is to scroll it from the sides, to drag it to the unwanted area you want to trim. Whenever you are satisfied and you are sure that this area is unwanted and you want to delete, right click and simply click on delete selection, and it's gone. It's not there anymore. And remember, it may show a gap over here, but actually your movie is connected. So what we have now is actually two videos have been merged, and a portion of the second video has been deleted. Let's say that you want to add some text on top of the screen or on top of your video, so you can explain the steps you want in your demonstration video, or just write your name or other stuff. You can do this simply by going to the text or just the T letter on the right side of your screen. By clicking on it, it will show the templates of the text. You pick the one suitable for you. Let's say that one. You drag it and drop it on top of the video. On the preview screen, you write your text. Let's say anything. Now, by double clicking, you can adjust the duration, which means the time that you want this text to appear in your video. I want it to appear for 10 minutes, let's say. You may notice now it became shorter. And then you can, by dragging, clicking and holding, dragging, you can choose when this text should appear. Let's say I want it to appear in the beginning. I'll show you now how it looks like. Playing the selection.
What should you do if you experience a problem with your
ESL class
iPod?
is showing in our
Remember these 5
for a
basic
whole 10
suggestions.
seconds.